So here's a quick update. My rep got back to me when I asked a member about the new shirt that we created there for the Hawks, whether it was okay, and she said, I think that'll be okay. So that's cool. So I went with it and I scaled it up a bit. And you can see now that my bleed one here, we've got 97 sales, and now we've got another 9 sales on the new. I went in and changed it, as you can see here. I already obviously I already told you that, but anyhow, so with the new changed one, you can see that the sales are still coming in. I'm thinking about breaking even there. I might actually not be making money on that one yet. Here's another thing I did. You can see down here I added another bleed shirt, bleed blue, white, and red instead of just blue and red. I had a lot of comments from this one saying, well, why don't you have the word white in there? And it's mixed comments. Some people don't like it because red, white, and blue is traditionally an American flag colors. And so the Canadians there didn't want to have that on their shirt. But some did because they think that red, blue, and red is just the New York Rangers. So it kind of went back and forth in the comments. So what I did is I just created, if you click here, what it is, I just created a link right here. If you click that link, it goes over to this campaign. And I'm not even sending any traffic at all to this campaign. I'm only, if someone asks about it in the comments, I send them here. And I just have that one link from the other campaign page go into here. And that's it. So it's just an easy way of adding. So if that tips, which it might, as long as it gets to 10, then that's totally fine. I can request a goal reduction and get some money out of it. And I didn't send any traffic to it. So it's just extra cash in my pocket for this entire campaign. So pretty cool. But I just want to illustrate the fact that even though you get campaigns shut down, you still can recover from them by just changing your design a little bit. It was obviously the feathers, and I just changed out the feathers, and the campaign is back running again, and hopefully we'll actually make a bit of money with this one. There's actually one little video here I just wanted to add to everything. I forgot to mention this. I don't even know if I mentioned this in the whole video series, actually, my whole course. It turns out that Teespring actually pays for its own retargeting for your campaigns. Like, look at this up here. This is my shirt. I was searching on YouTube for NHL highlights, and my shirt pops up. I didn't pay for this advertisement on YouTube. Teespring does. So I looked into my... I went and looked into my Teespring analytics here. And I look down here, and let's look at my variables. And you see here, perfect audience. I got a sale from someone that clicked on a perfect audience. Perfect audience is the retargeting service that Teespring uses to retarget all their campaigns. And as a result, I got a sale from that. So it just reassures you that Teespring has got their... basically got everything set up properly, and they know what they're doing. So also I might as well just show you some of the stats here. I didn't actually go through any of the analytics for this in the end of my my big video here. So you can see that we got mostly the hoodies, the red hoodies. That's where most of the money came in. And we did get some activity on Twitter, which is kind of nice. People talking about they bought it and available for the next 6 days. It's pretty cool. Buy here. So I didn't do any of these. This is just from people that caught on to my design and just started posting on Twitter. So pretty cool. So yeah, I just want to talk about how your actual campaigns they already have retargeting built into them from Teespring.